What's going on, all friends and family and followers and people that are new to my page? So today I made spaghetti again. Done my eye. It's all looks like I got a lazy eye. A little swollen still. Look at that. Looks way better now. I got the little selfie light and the tripod. Got ground beef, spaghetti sauce, a little bit of Rotel and green chilies mixed. That's the first time I'm trying this. And then spaghetti noodles. My wife says it's really good.
9 out of 10.
9 out of 10.
Do you have mushrooms? Better.
Oh yeah. I'd definitely give that a 9 out of 10.
Mushrooms and olive.
Here, y'all want a bite? Yum yum, get you some. Oh, got a little bit of a kick to it. That's good. Don't forget to like and share it if you can. Follow, you know the drill. I ain't even have to say that, and y'all know what to do. Went to the doctors today for my eye doctor, and my eye's healing good. The stitches are healing good. In 4 months, I get them taken out instead of 6 months, which is great because it's healing good. Oh man. Don't mind Freddy, he's in the background talking. Here, y'all want another bite? Get you some.